Okay, today I'm doing a video on the Holife. It's a handheld vacuum cleaner. So this is the manual, the user manual. It's a pretty thick book. Okay, so let's open this. This is the Holife if you want to become a member, and comes with a couple pieces. So there's a hose attachment. There's also this other tube. So this is the hose, and it also comes with this. If you want to attach it, you attach it to the hose. It's hard to do it with one hand. Okay, so then it comes with the charger, where you put it in the outlet. The AC adapter. Then it comes with the vacuum itself. So you can see here, handheld vacuum cleaner. And it's pretty good. See, that's where the outlet here is, and you push this button. Then you can open the battery. This is the battery down here. So if your battery ever goes bad, you can replace it. Then you push this button and it pops right out. And here, these two little buttons, I just turned the flashlight on. These two little buttons here on the side, you press them together, and then this transparent garbage area comes out so you can clean it. I was vacuuming using it, so look at all that it picked up. It has a little flashlight, so if you're in a dark spot that doesn't have light, you turn that on. It also has three little buttons here, or three little squares. So that just lets you know what kind of battery you have. So let me turn it on. So my battery's good, and it just moves that around all the garbage. Let me turn it off. Then I also like that it has a little brush at the tip. So let me show you the brush. You just flip it down, flip it up. And I like to use the brush because it glides on the floor better. So I like that. So this is what came in the box. It was the charger itself that you just snap it on like that. That's connected to the wall outlet. Let's put it in. So I put it in, and you see it starts to just blink because it's charging. Then it came with a manual. It came with the hose attachment, and it came with this. So that's an extra, so you can get in the car. This is a good piece for it, in between the seats. So that's the review of the Holife handheld vacuum cleaner.